everyone. Blessings from Eat Good TV. Scissoring, savoring. Little is much with all in it. Today I have a special recipe for you today. It's my Ocho Rios Cobb salad. Here is what I use to make the Ocho Rios Cobb salad. Diced cheese, strawberry, breadfruit, ackee and bacon, avocado, in Jamaica we call it pear, pineapple, and I just garnish the edge with some crispy bacon. Some crispy bacon all around the dish. And on the bottom of the dish I have lettuce. Don't forget to like, share, hit the notification bell, and give me all the thumbs ups. I need all the thumbs up. And comment too, because when you comment, I respond to your comment within 1 week, 2 weeks. But I give you an answer in the comment. So whatever you want to tell me in the comment, just tell it to me in the comment. But don't forget the thumbs up, because when you like the video, it goes very far. Thumbs up people, please. Thumbs up. Place the bacon in the pot to fry. When one side is crispy, turn to the next side. Now that the water is boiling, add 1 can of grace. I washed the tin off, so I'm going to open it and add it. And this is Grace Ackee, and you can get any brand of your choice. This brand is Grace. Or you can get any brand of your choice of ackee. So I'm going to open the tin. I washed the tin already. I'm going to open it and put it in the water. And if you have regular ackee, you just cook 24 ackee. Drain and pour ackee in the water. So you drain it, then just pour it in the water. And let it sit for 5 minutes. Now it's 5 minutes. Drain the water off the ackee and set it aside. Place 2 tablespoons of oil in the pot. Any oil. I use olive oil. And now I'm gonna add right over here. You can see it. I have garlic, tomato, onion, scallion. So I'm gonna place it in the pot to cook. And I'm going to put a few slices of Scotch bonnet pepper too, to cook up the ackee. So I'm just adding it to the pot. I'm just gonna saute it for 2 to 4 minutes. Then I'm gonna add the ackee and the bacon with some black pepper. Place the ackee in the pot. And I place the ackee in the pot. Place a half of the bacon with the ackee. Add some black pepper I have scotch bonnet, but black pepper make ackee taste really, really, really good. So add about a teaspoon. Just sprinkle it over it. And that's the ackee. I don't like it break up like scrambled egg. That's why I'm taking my time. I don't want it break up. I don't like to have it like scrambled egg. And that's ackee and bacon. Place breadfruit in the pot to fry. When it's golden, just turn it over to the next side. There you have it, family, your Ocho Rios Cobb salad. Bye from Eat Good TV. Love you. Wish you all the best. Bye.